Camera targets are another great new feature of version 3.5, and all you do is you go to the props, camera equipment, and there's our target, and we simply drag it into the frame wherever we want it to go. And we can position it so that it's embedded in her. We could glue it to her. We could make it invisible. It automatically will be invisible when we snap a shot, but for the moment we'll just leave it here. At that point we can reframe the shot however we like, and the program will then keep the target in the same place in the frame, or at least as close as possible, as we do other camera manipulations. So for example, if we crane upwards, then it's keeping it in the same place in the frame. And if we crane back down, it'll do the same. If we dolly, it will keep it in the same place in the frame. And this can be really useful for easy camera moves, tweening, and so on. You can simply disable it temporarily if you like by double clicking on it, and it will tell you it's now deactivated. It goes gray, which shows that it's deactivated. At that point you can crane and do whatever you want normally. As I said, if we snap this shot, you'll see that it automatically is invisible. So let's go there, and here we are, and you can see that it's not there. So that is camera targets.